So I can't believe our 10 and 10 Pilates challenge is over. Thank you to everyone who came and joined me and left comments and sent pictures. You guys did awesome. So what comes next? I'm going to tell you 2 opportunities to keep your fitness consistency going. One is a live class with me Thanksgiving morning. So if you're watching this in real time, Thursday morning at 8:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'm going to be teaching over on my Instagram channel. So that's at Jessica Valant Pilates. So again, 8:30 a.m. Thanksgiving morning, Pacific Standard Time. Come over to Instagram and we can take a live class together. The second thing I don't want you to miss is registration to my unlimited program opens on Thursday. So we're opening it special for this weekend. It will be open Thursday through Monday, and you can come on over. I will have the link below and join me on my online membership program. We have hundreds of workouts available. I offer workouts over there that I never put over here on YouTube. We have full-length workouts, physical therapy tips and tutorials, recipes, podcasts, inspiration, a monthly workout calendar. It's amazing, and you can come over for monthly, 3-month, or yearly subscriptions. I would love to have you there. So again, keep in mind, registration opens Thursday, and it's going to close on Monday. So I hope to see you there. Take care.